Hi friends, today we will learn a moral story, The Farmer and His Sons. In a small village, a farmer and three sons who often quarreled and fought with each other. Concerned about their lack of unity, the farmer decided to teach them a lesson. He called them together and handed each a stick. Break the stick, he said. The sons easily snapped the stick in half. Then the farmer gathered three sticks together and bound them with rope. Now try to break these, he instructed. No matter how hard they tried, the sons could not break the bundle of sticks. The farmer smiled and said, "You see, individually you are weak, but together you are strong." Realizing the truth in their father's words, the brothers promised to work together from that day forward. They learned to support each other and their bond grew stronger, leading to a happier family. Moral of the story: Unity is strength. Together, we can overcome challenges that we cannot face alone. Thank you, friends.